welcome to this video, how to get the Domino's 6 pizza offer. If this helps you out, drop a like onto this video and let's just get into it. Okay, so to make our lives a lot easier, I've pulled up this, I think this is a forum. So yeah, this is going to show you how you can actually get this 6 pizza offer for 350 rupees. You can actually get 6 pizzas, which is great. So this is the steps that you need to follow. You need to log into the Dominos app. Okay, once you've logged into the Dominos app, you choose the option for delivery, no takeaway. Okay, and then step 3 is you must add 1 margarita pizza of regular size to your cart. And then step 4 is you go to the Pizza Mania section and add 2 onion pizza and 3 tomato pizza. And then step 5, you apply this coupon code Pizza Party. So that's the coupon code Pizza Party and get 6 pizzas for 350 rupees. You can see that this expires in 11 months, so you have plenty of time to get this. And let's just see what these comments are saying, because this should work. And it says the deal is on. You need to select 3 classic pizza. The deal is on. You need to select 3 classic from Pizza Mania instead of tomato. Okay, so that's actually the step you need to follow. If you follow these instructions, you should be able to get the 6 pizza offer from Domino's for 350 rupees. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto it and I'll see you in the next video.